So hello guys, today we're gonna be looking at a play, a sideline inbound play. Ball is on the sideline. At the top of the ball, two will set a screen on player number one, and one sets up hits his defender so that the bump or he bumps into the screen. And of course, three passes the ball to player number one. There, and then player number three will get in as he cuts over the double screen on 4 and 5. So there will be our passing option. So one can pass the ball straight to the cutting player number 3, or player number 1 can give a quick pass to player number 2 for a better passing angle. And if 3 doesn't get the ball, he goes to the weak side out of the 3-point area. Alright, there you go. Then player number 5 sets a screen for player number 4. 4 or player 4 goes over the screen of player number 5 and receives the ball from 1 or player number 2. Now, if player number 4 doesn't get the ball, he goes to the low post on the weak side. Alright, there. After the screen on 4, player number 5 rolls to the ball and if possible receives the ball from player number 1. And then he can do a shot, a post-up shot from that play.
Like and share for more.